Hi guys, introducing you to my new crochet wrap top. Just wrap it around and tie a knot. Like always, I am going to create few looks. The first one, I paired the crochet top with the flared denim, tied a messy pony, wore my loops and created a retro look. How about tying the knot in the front? Looks good, right? Let's try it with a bodycon dress. Hair all down, danglers on. Oh, perfect! A perfect look to slay at any upcoming brunch or just knock around with friends or simply party. Okay, now the next look is my favorite. Casual, chic. Well, the white pant and the middle parted tied back messy pony gave it an elegant touch, exactly what is needed to complete this day look. So if you like this top and you want to own one too, follow me on Instagram, drop me a DM, I'll tell you the rest. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe.